Well, let's get to drinking. Today we have pine sap on the picnic table, so don't step on it, okay? And we're gonna get liquored up. We've got Onda, O-N-D-A, Tequila Seltzer Mango, made with Blanco Tequila from Jalisco. Zero sugar, real legit juice, and naturally gluten-free. Enough to make a mango crazy. Yeah. Water, tequila, flavor, lime juice, mango puree. So, basic ingredients from Pennsylvania. Ooh. And it is 5% alcohol. I'm not really a tequila person myself, but it does not make my clothes fall off. It's just booze. Anyway, figured I'd give this a try. What do you say? Okay, let's go. Smells like seltzer, mango, and citrus. What kind of citrus? Lime juice? Maybe. I'm picking up seltzer and a little bit of mango lime. I mean, I guess it's the tequila that's the bitter making me pucker. I guess lime might do that. But it's a salty mango seltzer. I guess it's maybe the tequila that I'm picking up that my tongue doesn't agree with. It's drinkable. I'm sure it's a legitimate alternative to the things what's the name brand everyone loves? It's White Claw. Guess it's an alternative to White Claw, except with tequila. And that's about the best I can say about it. Yeah, that's the tequila. It just, if tequila's mixed with something good, like a really good margarita, it's okay. Otherwise, it just doesn't do it for me. And adding a little bit of mango lime seltzer doesn't help. So, that's my judgment. It's about here. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. And tune in again. Same bat time, same bat channel. And we'll get liquored up again on something better tasting. What do you say? Have a great day and cheers!